Welcome viewers, in this video we'll see the details about the structures available in C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. C programming language. One of the topic is structures. The structure is a constructed data type for packing different type of data that are logically related. So the structure is nothing but a constructed data type, right? User defined data type already available. Some data types are already available. This is a constructed data type having different types of data. These data are logically related, right? So the array, one more topic available, that is the collection of same type of data. Array is the collection of same type of data. This is the different type of related data, right? We'll see the defining a structure. How to define the structure? What is the general format to define the structure? We'll see now. Structures are defined first and then it is used for declaring structure variables. First we need to define the structure, then we can declare the variables, right? The general format of structure definition is, there is a structure definition. What is the structure definition is given? Structure, struct. You have to use the word keyword structure, struct. Okay, you have to give the tag name, structure name. Then open the brace. Inside the data types are declared. Data type member 1, data type member 2, like that related data are declared here. Then close the brace and with the semicolon, right? So this is the structure definition. We are using the tag, we are using the struct. This is the structure name. Structure name. It's a keyword for structure. This is a structure name. Inside different type of data, related data are declared and closed with the closing braces at the semicolon, right? So this is the defining a structure. Now we'll see one example. What is the how to define a structure? struct. This is a keyword. The structure name is book. So the book related data are declared here. What are the data? Integer book ID. Book ID is declared as a integer. Book name with 20 characters is declared as a variable as a name character. Then author is author name with 20 characters is declared as character. Price declared as float. Year of publication declared as integer. Number of pages declared as integer. And publisher name with 25 character declared as character, right? And then close the braces with a semicolon, right? So the structure name is book. It's a keyword. The name is book. We declare related data, books related data, book ID, book name, author name, price, year, pages, and publisher name. These are all declared. So different type of data is logically related. All data are related to the term book, right? Now we'll go to the next part. So we discuss the structure definition. What is the general format for structure definition? Now we'll see the declaring structure variables. After definition, we need to create the structure variables. First, the structure format is defined. Then the variables can be declared of that of structure type. There are two ways for declaring a structure variable. Declaration of structure variable at the time of defining the structure itself. During the definition itself, we can declare the variable. That is the first method. So this is the structure keyword. The structure name is book. Here inside we have book ID, book name, author name, price. So this B1, B2, B3 is the structure variables. So we can use three set of data, right? This data set of data we can use three times. B1 refers first book, B2 refers second book, B3 refers third book, right? So this is the structure definition. We declare three structure variables, B1, B2, B3. So during the definition itself, the structure variables are declared. And the another one more method is available. After creating the structure also we can declare the variable. Declaration of structure variable after defining the structure, that is structure book b1 b2 b3, same thing, but it is after declaring the book structure we defining the declaring the variable. This is the keyword, this is the structure name. b1 b2 b3 are structure variables. Earlier we declare the variable at the end of the structure definition. Here separately we are declaring the variables, right? Now we'll go to accessing the structure member. How to access, how to differentiate the structure members. The member of a structure can be accessed using a dot operator. Dot operator, what is that example? b1 dot book id. Book id is the one of the variable. These b1 b2 are structure variables. So b1 dot book id means first book id, b2 dot book id means second book id, b3 dot book id means third book id. So b1 is the structure variable, this is the data type. So b1 dot data type will give the accessing of the structure member. So this is differentiated. b1 b2 b3 all are differentiated. b1 refers first book, b2 refers second book, b3 refers third book. So by dot operator we can access the structure members, right? So here b1 b2 b3 available. So if we want to use the n number of variable, for example 10 books, 100 books means we can go for the array type. So these are all normal declaration, variable declaration. If we want bulky books are needed mean we can go for array type. Now we'll see the array. So this is the array of structures. An array of structure is a group of structure elements under the same structure variable. For example, we can declare like this: structure book b1 of 100. So this is the single dimensional array 100. b1 refers the structure variable. In that we can go 100 books can be referred, right? So the keyword structure, the structure name book, variable name is b1 with 100 variable as an array, single dimensional array. Then how to access this? b1 of 0 dot book id, b1 of 1 dot book id, b1 of 2 dot book id. Similarly we can go b1 of 100 or 99, because it starts with 0 we can go up to 99 dot book id. Earlier we refer b1 dot book id, b2 dot book id, b3 dot book id. So if we go b3, b4, b5 it is very difficult. So that you are declare with array. b1 of 0 dot book id, b1 of 1 dot book id. So this array index is varied, right? b1 is same but array index is varied. 0 means first book, 1 means second book, 2 means third book. Like that we can go up to 100 means 99, right? The 100 books can be varied. So by varying the array index we can easily identify which type of which book we are referring, right? So earlier few books mean we can refer earlier method. N number of book mean we can use array of structures. Now we'll see the structure as a function argument. The structure can be passed as a function, right? We can see that. We can pass individual member of a structure or entire structure or a pointer structure to a function, right? So while using the function we can pass the individual member of a structure or entire structure or pointer to a structure. We will see the example for that. Example structure, the structure name is sample. This is a keyword sample. Integer, number, float, average. Two variables are available, number and average. Then a is the structure declare variable, structure variable a, right? So a dot number, a dot average we can refer, right? Keyword structure name is sample, two variables number and average. The structure variable is a. Now we'll see how we are accessing these structure variables. So we start with the main program, void main. A dot number equal to 75, a dot average equal to 90.25, right? So these two variables directly assigned. 75 is assigned at a number, 90.25 is directly assigned to average. Now here we are calling one function, fun a. What is this a? A is nothing but structure variable. The entire structure variable we are passing as a function. Function fun A. This A is nothing but structure variable. Right. Now what will happen inside the program? Inside the function, void fun structure sample P. Right. So this is the keyword. It's a function name. Sample is a function structure name. P is created. Right. Here we created P. Printf, the number is percentage %d, average is percentage %f, p dot number, p dot average, right? So while calling this function, all entire variables are passed to the function. By using this p, we are referring both number and average, right? So we can in this, we are accessing all the members of the structure here because we passed the entire structure, right? So the number and average is printed here. So this is coming under the passing entire structure. So next we will see function that return structure. Right, now passing we discuss. Now what the function will return. The member of structure can be passed to a function. If a structure is passed to the called function, we can use any one of the method. We already discussed. Member of a structure can be passed, or entire structure can be passed, or pointer can be passed. If a structure is to be passed, entire structure is passed, then what is the return called method? We can use one of this method, right? So the method 1, what is the method 1? Individual member of a structure is passed as an actual argument of the function call. The actual argument are treated independently. This method is not suitable if a structure is very large structure, right? So you can send the individual members, that is treated as a actual argument. But this will be not suited if large structure, large variables are available. We can send one by one. Every variable we need to send. That is very difficult. If the structure is having only 1 or 2 elements, means we can use this method. The second method, entire structure is passed to the called function. That is what we discussed in the earlier example. Entire structure is passed, right? Then third method, pointer can be used for passing the structure to a user defined function, right? So three method, either we can pass member of a structure, that is applicable if the structure members are very less. Large means very difficult. Or entire structure can be passed. For that only we discuss the example. Third one, pointer can be passed. So in this video we discussed how to define the structure, how to declare the structure variables, then how to access the structure members, then structure with array of variables, then function, how to pass the structure variable as a function. What are the three methods available? Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.